latest update of Premiere, you can simplify your sequence, which makes it so much easier to share with clients and collaborators. So just to refresh on how you make sure that you have the updated version, click your Creative Cloud, click Apps, then Updates, and then just make sure that you don't have any that need updating. So we're here in my sequence. I'm just going to point out we've got a couple things going on. So I've got some lower third up here. I've got a muted track. There's just a lot of things going on, markers. So we're going to simplify this sequence before we share it with people. So I'm going to select my sequence and then just go to Sequence, and at the bottom, Simplify Sequence. And now I can make some choices. So I'm going to close vertical gaps on video tracks. I'm going to flatten multi-camera clips. In this case, I'm going to remove transitions and disabled or muted tracks. It's well worth exploring other things. Empty tracks might be a good thing to remove. And I can remove sequence markers of any color I want. So I'll just let you take another look at what the sequence looks like right now. And I'm going to click Simplify. And here's our simplified sequence. So our sequence markers are gone. We've got V3 has been removed, and those lower third have moved down to V2. The track that was muted was removed, and the extra audio track we had was also removed. So a much cleaner sequence for us to share out and use. Give Simplified Sequence a try. It's a great way to kind of share your Premiere project and working file.